I knew you'd come back out. Time for some food in the Dunkin' Donuts dumpster. I knew it. You're cute. What's there, buddy? Hey! What you got there, buddy? Aren't you cute? Oh my goodness. Oh, you got num-nums. Here we go. Or something. You ate something. There's a family of raccoons over here. Out behind Dunkin' Donuts. He's sneaking in that dumpster. I see those feet. I just saw two more down in the brush near where the cats are. Oh, there's one. Messing with the cat. Oh, what's happening here? Oh boy, Kitty Cat wants to play with Mr. Raccoon. Raccoon's taking a bath or something. How cute. That is so cute. So cute. Oh my god. Adorable. He's washing off or drinking water or something. But that cat's watching him. Okay, buddy. Did you get what you needed over there? Yeah? Don't want to share it? Okay, bye.